My sons asked me to give you 15 million naira, but I will add 5 million to make it 20 million naira. Melaye tells Kogi Indigenes, not the news in full. The gubernatorial candidate of the People's Democratic Party, PDP, in the upcoming election in Kogi State, former Senator Dino Melaye, was at a public function in Ijumu local government area of his state recently, where he made a huge donation. The former senator said, "You people know that my 3 sons are from this Akiri Ade community. Well, they asked me to give you people 15 million naira, but I will add 5 million naira to make it 20 million naira," he added. "On behalf of my brother, who is presently not at this occasion, I will donate another 1 million naira in addition to the 20 million naira on ground." Speaking further, former Senator Dilo Melaye said the money will be instantly transferred to the community's account because we want it to be used in developing the land. Dilo Melaye, who holds the traditional title of Arewa Joyi of Akiri Ade, lastly told Kogi Indigenes residing in Akiri Ade that should he become the state's next governor, he will facilitate more development into all corridors of the state. Don't be small thing. For my listeners out there, what should be your take on the issue at hand? My sons asked me to give you 15 million naira, but I will add 5 million to make it 20 million naira. Melaye tells Kogi Indigenes. Please react to that. If I should do so, believe, do justice to every of your reactions. Without the video's opinion, to already popping in from the comment section. The first one is from the person of Tones. It says, "What development did you facilitate when you were in HORO and Senate? Even the road from Kaba to Egbe is worst road I have passed in recent time." Not be small thing, not be Nigerian politicians, they do anything. Not be when they need something from you, they will like one offer, what it go please you so that they go fit give them what they want. Therefore, one could say, what is the source of this money? Does Dino own a factory anywhere? What are his tasks received like? Not be small thing, it's not Nigeria. Are they not there to enrich their pocket? Have they been serving Nigerians? No. Therefore, 7. It says, if you like donate 20 billion, you will fail because you don't have the capacity. We know you before. Now, you are good in flashing car and clothes. My advice to you, Dino, better use that money and open a cement business for your family, okay? Not be small thing. They're from Oscar. It says, what our people fail to know is that there is a limit to what National Assembly member can do when it comes to development of states. In the area of constituency allowance, he has power to execute some project, okay? He also lobby for project. Aside this, he has no power, okay? The power, courage, and initiative to develop a state is in the hands of governor, okay? But in all our politicians, they have not been so very sincere to us. They are not there to serve us, they are there to serve their pockets. In general, I think for this one we are wrapping it. Please endeavor to subscribe to this channel and also ensure that you share the very news to social media platform. If I should do so, believe the Almighty God will do the very need for your life. Bye bye.